looks like it might be actually off the frame. Okay, so you now need to set up your scale. Select. Right here, so it's not off the screen, so now you need to make each one of these larger. Because right now, what did that say?
1 volt.
So each one of these is 1 volt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this is 14, it's 10. Right, it's up here. So you need to make each one of these more.
Like 2 volt
See what it is now?
or 3.
You can't even make them more.
Even 4 volt.
That's cool.
So it's 5 volts per, which means each one of the dots in between is 1 volt. So but where's your 0? You need to find your 0, so we need to do this first. I hate when I do this. Okay. So you need to change this to cursor. Move A. So now you need to use the arrows to move A to a line. That's going up. Okay, get it there. Take it faster a little bit.
No, I think I'm on the line.
Alright, so that's 0. So now we count from there. Okay. And watch this. Okay, so you have to pause it so now you can look. That actually looks like 15.
Yeah.
That looks like 15. Now, there's a lot of noise. There's a lot of noise because you see where you put the wire? I told you the magnetic field from the coil, the high voltage side, is what's making this noise. That magnetic field is making voltage in here too. So usually when you try to put your wires across, you're going to get noise, but you want to be as far as from the things that are going to make noise as possible. That's just what you see here. This noise is because you're right over the ignition coil. So if you had moved it this way some, but they're kind of tight because you don't want to touch ground here. But if you touch ground here, you'll blow the fuse for all the coils. All the coils will stop. So you have 15 there. So that's when hang on. Huh?
No. Put the machine down. Put the machine on the finger, man.
We don't want any noise.
No, that's the wire, not the machine.
Yeah, I know. You want the wire to.
Oh, we need everybody
That's
to.
power, remember?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, if it touches ground, it'll blow the fuse and the car will shut off.
Is it still making noise?
Yeah, but it's better now.
Okay. The further you get away from it, like the alternator's noisy, the injectors are noisy, you're not going to get away from it. Just
I thought like if you could dangle it.
Yeah,
like
you could get it from here, then you'd be the furthest away from it. So like,
5 volts.
right here.
No, this is like 15, 14. So, yeah, almost 15. Because each one is like 5, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I remember.
Each box is 5.
Wire one last time.
That's fine. I mean, we're the thing. Does it show a digital number?
This side, 1,
Not
2,
yet.
3. Going
But
up.
I know how to
Each
do
box,
it.
each box is fine.
I can do it though.
Let's see.
What are you
You
doing?
freeze it and make it.
Looking for the.
Graphic multimeter that'll be there.
Yeah, it's the graphic multimeter. .22 volts.
1420.
So that's what it is
1423.
there. What is it there? Remember, that's where you're supposed to start from. So that's V1. This is V2. Then where it comes out, what does it come out on?
It's 2,
1.
right?
No, I think it comes out on 1. This is 3.
It's coming on 1. Coming out on 1.
So that'll be V3.
Yeah.
And
Then
you need
go
to
to
PCM.
87.
Now you got to find 87 over there and find 4.
Yeah.
So then you do the math to find out what's the difference between V1 and V2, V2 and V3, V3 and V4. Those are your voltage drops.
Okay.
So these are V2. That's why we got.
Yeah.
Let's do our V1.
1423.
Check out.
14.31.
1431.
Oh shit! You know what? Use this over there.
Let's use it.
Yeah, use this So yeah. 14.31, and this is 14.22.
2, 3.
So how much is that? 0.9 gold? What is it that we can do?
8. Max 8.
0.8 max?
Yeah.
So a couple of things might happen. This is not background.
That's
so
not
you might
accurate,
have
yeah.
voltage drop across this. So see what it is right across the
Even
back.
this one is losing something.
This is the negative.